Hi everyone! Welcome to my virtual classroom rules. In today's episode, we are going to see 10 basic rules of virtual classroom. So let's jump into it. Rule number 1. Find a quiet place. It is quite important to find a quiet place for your children. Rule number 2. Check if your gadget or internet connection work properly. Rule number 3. Be on time. It's essential to show up in time for your virtual class and to wait to be admitted by your teacher. Rule number 4. Turn on your camera. You have to be respectful all the time when your video is on. Remember to use an appropriate language and to avoid any rude hand gestures. Rule number 5. No food, no drinks, and no distractions, such as TV, parents, siblings, toys, pets, etc. Rule number 6. To wear a comfortable and appropriate clothes. Remember to get changed, don't show up in pajamas. Rule number 7. Shh. Enter in your virtual classroom quietly. Rule number 8. Be respectful. Be respectful with your teacher and with your classmates. Rule number 9. Raise your hands if you want to ask questions. Here is the last rule, rule number 10, to turn off your microphone while your teacher is speaking. Remember to pay attention to your teacher when she or he is explaining and also to your classmate when they are performing. That's everything for today. I hope you enjoyed. If it's so, please leave the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and to hit that notification bell. Have an excellent week and see you next time here in my channel. Bye for now.